Good afternoon. This is Sister VegaNata, and today we're going to be starting our lunch. We're going to make some Portobello Mushroom Pizzas. We'll first begin by preheating the oven to 400. Yes, we begin with pouring some olive oil on our cookie sheet, and I just brush that all over the surface here just to kind of give it some evenness. Next, I'll take the clean portobello mushrooms that I've washed and place them on the cookie sheet face down. And what we want to do is we want to make sure the portobello mushrooms are a little dried out, and so we're going to put them in the oven for about 15 minutes, allowing the water to drain out of them. Now that the oven's been preheated, put those in there, 400, and we will be back in about 15 to 20 minutes. And while we wait, we primarily just cut up some red onions, some green peppers. We have some tomato paste that we'll spread. We'll add some minced garlic, and the minced garlic will also go there. We will then add some cheese, some vegan cheese, as well as some nutritional yeast. And those will be our ingredients that we will add to our pizza once it has dried a little bit, and we'll flip it over and add our toppings. They smell good. So we're going to take those portobello mushroom pizzas out and serve them on a plate. We'll start with one, save one for later. And we take our portobello mushroom pizza and we slice it up and we try a bite. Delicious. Good flavor. The vegetables are now softened. Cheese is melted. Very delicious. It's a very hearty treat for lunch or snacks, early day, early afternoon, even early dinner. So I would recommend it. Have it for your kids. Again, it's pizza. Enjoy.